Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily duplicate a photo using the Dropbox mobile app. If you want to create a copy of a photo within your Dropbox account right from your phone, this updated step-by-step guide is perfect for you. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This will take you to all your stored files and folders. Next, find the photo that you want to duplicate. When you locate the photo, tap the three dots icon situated right next to it. This icon opens a menu with additional options for managing your file. In the menu, tap on Duplicate. This option will allow you to create an exact copy of that photo. Once you select Duplicate, the app will prompt you to choose a destination folder, where the new copy will be saved. You can pick the same folder or any other folder in your Dropbox storage. After selecting the destination, just tap Duplicate again to confirm. The app will then make a copy of the photo and save it to the folder you picked. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a photo in Dropbox using your mobile device. This simple trick is great for backing up a photo in a different folder or organizing your images without losing the original. Just remember, duplicating files inside Dropbox helps keep your files safe and organized all within reach from your phone. Thanks for watching. Now you can quickly duplicate any photo in your Dropbox mobile app with ease.